Sorry, dear.
She was built by local craftsmen at one of Whitby's oldest shipbuilders, Harcoll Marine Engineering. The three masts have been carved from Douglas fir, and the largest, the main mast in the centre, stands some 12 metres above the water. Like the ship you are on today, Captain Cook's Endeavour, it was originally known as the Earl of Pembroke, was built as a Whitby cat, or collier, designed to carry coal from the northeast of England down to London. Wherever possible, we have tried to replicate all the features of the original.
It's not good, is it?
And within a month was promoted to Master of Mate. In just 4 years he was promoted to Master, which is a professional sailor in charge of all aspects of seamanship. Over the next few years he made many long sea voyages and spent 4 years preparing charts for the Eastern Coast of Canada, which proved so accurate that scientists and most of the discovered the tapping techniques to observe planet Venus crossing the face of the sun. Funded by the Crown, the Earl of Pembroke just under 3,000 taken to London to be fitted out and renamed Endeavour. The Admiralty decided that James Cook was the ideal man to lead
Down.
Give me some time to blow the
You'll see signs. I think it's usually the third week of August, 21st. Again, I'm trying to find that. 2 coffee for That's best time in it. First thing in the morning.
Yeah, they're allowed. Yeah, that's a nice.